The 5000W dual-motor electric bike for adults is an impressive piece of engineering that appeals to both thrill-seekers and those looking for a reliable, high-performance electric bike for daily commuting. With a top speed of 52 miles per hour and a robust 60V 32AH battery, this model has been designed for power and efficiency. After several weeks of testing, I can confidently say that it stands out in the crowded e-bike market for both its performance and features. Build quality and design. First and foremost, the build quality of the bike is exceptional. Constructed from a high-strength aluminum alloy frame, it feels sturdy and resilient, yet surprisingly lightweight. The design is sleek and modern, with an aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of riders. The bike is available in several color options, allowing users to pick one that best suits their personal style. The dual motor system is a standout feature, with one motor located in the front and another in the rear wheel. This not only enhances traction, especially on slippery or uneven surfaces, but also provides an exhilarating riding experience. The combined power of both motors ensures that acceleration is incredibly rapid, making it a thrill to zip through urban environments or tackle steep hills with ease. Performance is where this electric bike truly shines. The dual motors can deliver up to 5000 W of power, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 52 miles per hour under optimal conditions. While this speed is exhilarating, it's essential to note that such performance requires a certain level of responsibility. The bike comes with a powerful braking system, hydraulic brakes that are responsive and provide excellent stopping power, making it safer to manage such high speeds. The 60V 32AH battery is another highlight, offering a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding style. It recharges relatively quickly, often within 6 to 8 hours, which means you can easily plan your rides without worrying about a lengthy downtime. For those who are environmentally conscious, this electric bike is a sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, providing a guilt-free way to enjoy the outdoors. Comfort and ride quality. When it comes to comfort, the 5000W dual-motor electric bike does not disappoint. The bike features an adjustable seat with ample cushioning that caters to various rider heights. The ergonomic design ensures that long rides remain comfortable, minimizing fatigue even during extended periods on the road. Additionally, the front fork suspension absorbs shocks and bumps with ease, providing a smooth ride even when navigating rough terrain. Whether riding on city streets or off the beaten path, the bike's sturdy tires ensure good grip and stability, further enhancing the overall riding experience. User-friendly features. This electric bike is equipped with a range of user-friendly features that make it appealing for both novice and experienced riders. An intuitive LCD display offers real-time information about speed, battery life, and distance traveled, allowing you to monitor your ride effectively. The bike also includes multiple riding modes, enabling users to switch between pedal assist and full throttle electric mode based on their preferences. LED lights for both the front and back of the bike enhance safety during night rides, ensuring that you remain visible to others. The inclusion of a rear rack adds convenience for carrying personal items or groceries, further enhancing its practicality for urban commuting. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 5000W dual-motor electric bike for adults is a top-tier electric bike that combines power, performance, and practicality. Its impressive speed and range, coupled with the high-quality build and comfortable ride, make it an excellent choice for those who want something more than just a basic e-bike. Whether you are commuting to work, running errands, or seeking a thrilling adventure, this electric bike is up to the task. While the price point might be on the higher side compared to standard electric bikes, the features and performance justify the investment. With its dual motor system, robust battery, and user-friendly design, the 5000W dual motor electric bike is undoubtedly a worthy addition to any